Hi there, it's Gabi here with FABAtv, and I have really big news. Not only is this upcoming contest so awesome, but the prize is like
mega awesome.
And I don't know which one I want to share with you first, the contest details or what the prize is. Maybe we should save best for last, and let's get into the contest details. As you may know, this week on FABAtv is Mexican Heritage Week, so that's what this contest is also going to be about. The designs that you'll be submitting will be influenced by Mexican history and Mexican culture. Some great places to grab inspiration from is maybe indigenous art from the Aztecs and Mayans by some very famous Mexican artists such as Frida Kahlo, and even some of your favorite Mexican dishes. We do ask that no sugar skulls be submitted for this contest, and the reason is because a lot of face painters and body artists do a lot of sugar skulls in their line of work, and this contest is all about branching out and doing things that are out of your comfort zone and maybe even requiring research. So for those that do submit sugar skulls to this contest will be disqualified. How do you submit your art to this contest? Well, there is an album called the Mexican Contest Album on the official FABAtv group on Facebook. And to be eligible to participate in the contest is that you need to add your photo directly onto the album. They cannot be sent to me or to Heather or even directly onto the official FABAtv group, but instead has to be added directly to the album in order to participate into the contest. Here is how you add a photo to an album. We ask that you do add a short description of what inspired you to create your design and how long you've been a member on FABAtv. However, if you're not a FABAtv member, you are still able to submit your work, but I definitely do look forward to seeing you become a member in the future. How will this contest be judged? Lucky for me, I will not be the one judging, as that sounds way too difficult. But instead, it's going to be based off of popular voting, meaning you are going to be the one to decide who you think deserves to win. And we do ask that you're not only respectful to all contestants, but to only vote once on your favorite design out of all the ones that you see. Submissions will be due this Sunday, September 27th, 2020. So what does the winner receive? What is the prize? Well, I am really excited to tell you. The winner is going to receive one ticket to the International Body Art Convention called Prismatica, which is usually held in Mexico. However, this year it will be a virtual convention. But here's the thing. Every single person who has a ticket to Prismatica will also be able to attend the same time next year in 2021. So you're getting one ticket for 2 years. That is amazing. And what's also valued for almost $1,500, which is about 3,000 pounds. Imagine. That's like the coolest prize ever. And I'm like so ecstatic to tell you. I wanted to keep it for myself, but you know, that would be selfish. So I'm giving it to you instead. I am wishing you all the best of luck. And maybe if you don't win, the fact that you even submitted a piece to this contest is a huge deal. I am so excited to see all of your work and even more excited to see who the winner is. Let's do a quick recap. All submissions will be due this Sunday, September 27th. all sugar skulls will be disqualified. All designs must be submitted to the official FABAtv group page on the Mexican contest album. Please be respectful to all contestants and only vote on one design, which is your favorite. When submitting your design, please add a short description of what you painted, what influenced the design, and how long you've been a FABAtv member. And lastly, good luck, everyone!